Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify store name. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So as you can see right here, this is the name of my store. It's actually named just My Store. So if you want to change the name of my store, what we can do is we can click on these settings right here that we have on our left sidebar, which is on the bottom corner. Once you have done this, this will open our store details wherein you can actually see the My Store name right here. Now, if you want to change it, you should be able to see the store name right here. So click on this pencil icon below the profile, and then in here you can change the name of your store. So for example, let's name it Lala Tiara. And then after that, click on Save. And then once you have done that, this will save your progress. So it will take some time for this to load. So let's exit this. And then after you have done that, let's head over and then refresh our website right here. So once it's done, the refresh process, you should be able to see that our store name has changed right here. It's now named Lala Tiara. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.